everybody! During this video, we are going to study the vowel sounds of Y. You are going to see that the long E sound can be spelled Y, and the long I sound can be spelled Y too. So please get ready with your Learning Destinations book, module number 3, and open it on pages 10 and 11. Please observe carefully the next picture. What is the weather like in it? Sunny, right? The last sound I hear in sunny is E. Let's try with other words. Bunny, 20, sleepy, baby. They have the same final sound as in sunny. Now, tell me, where is the sun? The sun is in the sky, right? Listen to the word sky. The last sound is I. Okay, now let's look for words or actions that contain long I sound. I, try, tie, kite. Okay, now let's see again the word sky. There are 3 sounds in sky. S, k, I. Now turn to page 12. I see a picture of a bunny and a picture of a sky. Both words end with Y, but they have different vowel sounds. Bunny has long E sound and sky has long I sound. Now let's blend some words. Buddy, fussy, fly, rusty, white. Sentences I can read. Number 1. His buddy shuts a rusty gate. 2. These fussy chicks can't fly. 3. Why did Jen run home? Very good. Now you can read the words as many times as is necessary to practice with them. Have a very nice day.